So do you see any message in your machine like, okay, you have started recording, you are recording this meeting, be sure to let everyone know that they are being recorded. Fine. Okay, dismiss. Okay, we'll keep this one. So, okay, I'll close it. So this is the application which we created while having a session like Win32 or like last 2 days back, I think.
Yes.
So on Tuesday. So a dialogue based application. So, and then I was trying to work with edit control, and it was not working for me. Like I forgot actually. Now I little bit remember. So I will show how to do with edit control and how to check MSG and help for getting the control. So as usual, like most of the sites which we saw yesterday, like they were mostly wizard actually. So wizard will be little complex, like lot of unwanted codes will be there. So like a writing program like this, like for it will be good for understanding. We know what's going on. Uh, so if it gets interrupted, you just tell me. We'll just verify. It's fine, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Kishore, you can hear me also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't unmute it, both of you. So that is um, okay. So you know how to write a dialogue actually. So and additionally, this on any dialogue also is required actually. So you it's a means it's a override function. Already this function will be available. I think in C dialog. Let me see in C dialog. So let me check.
Yes.
Yeah, on any dialog is there. So I'm just overriding it actually. So if you just see the help for this C dialog, I will maybe I will C dialog. They would have suggested like we have to override this on any dialog. So uh, okay, maybe somewhere here. So here this is the framework calls update when usually OK button close him. The default implementation also calls update data. Okay, no. You typically override on init to further initialize controls. So this is what it's main thing we need it on init dialog to initialize the control actually. On init dialog is called after all the dialog controls are created and just before the control dialog is displayed. So this is the main point actually. Um, so just it's from the MSDN. Okay. You can hear me right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, so, okay, you can do that in constructor itself. Why to do it in on init dialog? Like constructor, the when the object is created for this particular class actually. So it wouldn't have called, it wouldn't have finished all other controls got initialized. It is just beginning to initialize everything. So you cannot write your control creation in the constructor. You understood? Means it is just beginning actually. So once this on init dialog is called, most of the control got initialized and it would have got created in the resource actually, in the memory actually. So that's why we need to use on init dialog, not in constructors. So, actually, I showed you in another video like this is not needed. So this will cause you confusion. Instead, you can change it here itself. So I already added. Yeah. So you just you already know this framework, right? So
Yes.
you need to um, you just interact with me so that I will also know like okay, you are an online, otherwise I'll be keep talking myself.
Okay, 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 sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with this one, okay, let me clear this one. Show this one is like a button actually. Okay, I will just remove this one. So it's not used actually, no. Now we'll just see the edit control. So so rest of the things are same. Now let me go to the resource. So let me add a control. So I'll use toolbar. So I'll click here. Maybe I'll add one static. Where is static? So static is just displaying the name. Uh, Maybe name like that. So you can just align it somewhere here. So and I will just add one button uh, saying that I just display that name. So we are going to play with this and how to, I'll show you like how to get the help from MSDM. So show name. Okay, so once we created this, we'll go to properties. I will add properties. Okay, so we'll change the name of this actually. Either you can use the same name or you can change it actually. So there are other properties also. Uh, so there are other properties like if you want a password, it will become star. I'll just change and show you. So it will become star actually. I don't know what control is this one. Okay, some invisible control was there or no? Okay, it was not highlighting properly. Okay, so if you don't want a password, you just set it to false. So and we just I'll add like IDC edit name, maybe name one or something, whatever it is. So, static, there's no need, it will remain like this, so no need to change. So almost all static will be having the same name. So no IDC static 1, IDC static 2. If you want some dynamic thing to happen, you can add in some name and change the values. So and the button also. So maybe you can type button or BTN. BTN show name. So just press one enter and save it. So if you press one enter, it will get updated here. Now we have this control edit. I don't know why it is showing here instead of here. Okay, we have a control and we have this button, this edit box and this button. So we just need to write, like user will type something, and once user clicks this button, he will show a message box what he typed. So that's it we are going to do. And let's maybe we keep this and let's come back here. Okay. First thing what we need is we need handle to this window. So this is whole thing is a window. Every window will have an handle actually. In Windows, everything is a handle actually. So this window will have a handle. This one, this edit will be having a handle. This one also will be having a handle. So in order to update for this edit, we need a handle actually, first of all. You can use Win32, mostly in Win32 program you use handle, but in MFC they give a wrapper class for the handle controls. Means for wrapper class for each control to handle those controls. And since this is a edit box, so mostly you need to go to MS Keying. So I'll just keep this one as it is. Go here. You can type like edit control in C++. So otherwise for other things also it will. So if you go here, edit control window. Sorry, not C++. It should be MFC. MFC. So it was earlier it was showing the help for Win32 kind of thing. So immediately it will show C edit. Okay. So and C edit it has its own member variable and member functions. So a lot of operations you can do actually. But first thing we'll see like how to get the text. So before going into that, let me first initialize, create a cedit handle and link with this control. So for that I just need to create a C and just see what under which class that cedit is. So just scroll here. It's in AFX win. So the already I have added AFX win here, right? So there's no need to add anything. So see, edit, member variable. So it should be a pointer because already the control has been created in the resources. So I'm trying to make use of that control. So pointer, it's a win. Then maybe I say edit name. So I need to assign this pointer to that control. So I said we should not initialize in constructor. We just need to initialize in on init dialog. So always write like this virtual bool init. So most of the control would have got created. Just need to assign to this one. So come here. How to get, now we know the id of this control is idc edit name actually. This is the name edit actually. So how to get the control handle using this particular name. So this one thing called get Get DLG item. Very important function. This will always get you the control of particular ID that you create. Control of particular. Sorry, this will get you the window of the particular control which you created in the resource, and you can get it using the ID. So IDC. What is that? Edit name, right? So,
Name one simple sneaker, sir.
okay, so what's the name one? So,
Some error.
yeah, some problem with the resource. Let me open this resource and see.
Source. Yes.
Okay, we have okay. No,
Yeah. IDC edit name one.
I'll just close this. So I think it will solve it after some time. Okay, let's. I think it will take some time to solve. IDC edit name, right? So, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not a problem. So this sometimes it will show error, but let's see. Let's do it later. It will return this control. So here C wind actually. So what is the C wind? I want C edit, not C wind actually. So but let's see the help. This C wind class is derivation of C wind actually. C wind is base class. So most of the controls are derived like C edit, C combo box, derived from C window. So it is returning only the base class, but in memory actually it will be returning C edit only. So we have to just typecast. So because this is a C edit, right? So we just typecast to C edit. In Java, do you have typecast?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. C edit.
Edit.
So
Yeah.
now it got solved actually.
Yes, sir.
You have the window means that particular edit control. Okay. Now what I'll do is okay we'll keep this one as it is. Let's open the editor. Somewhere it is open. Why it is open? Just I had to pass. Cancel. Okay. Okay, I'll do it this one later. I don't know how to close it. Close. Let me open the editor now. I don't know. Okay. There are some issues because most of them we are not using MFC. It seems they have some bugs internally. Okay, it's okay. It's open here.
Now it's
Okay, it was open somewhere like I'm not sure. It was opened actually. So once if you close it, that it gets open. Now let me open the source code. Let me open this resource. So after you finish the resource, you just close the dialog. So I don't know, it got aligned. Maybe the screen resolution problem actually. So now it comes properly. So because I keep working in my machine in the office, and then I switch it to the laptop machine in the conference room, and now I'm using this laptop machine in my home machine. So that's why there's some resolution problems are there.
Okay.
We need not get the handle for this one, like similar kind of there is a class for this one. This one is a button, right? Properties, this is a button actually. So there is a button. If you just see the help, let us keep this one. uh, let's see, BUTTY button, MFC. Yeah, it shows C button. So there is a button, but we don't require any handle, means any control C button type actually. So instead we need to handle an event actually. So when user clicks this, it should trigger. So what we have to do is, we know the ID actually. So let's see the help of this button. This here, this is the parameter function on notification dialog. Okay. Okay, so I showed you an example like using WM command, right? On command, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But that help is not showing here. On command. Let us. Okay. Anyway, I will go as per the document. So here it says potential message map entries are on B and click. Let me take a risk and try for this one. Okay. So when user clicks that button twice, when double click, it should show me the event, means show me the message whatever I type. So I'll just what I have to do, I'll just copy this one. I have to just see what is the thing that I need to pass for this one. Again, I'll go to Google. So on BN double, or let me check. Let me check for BN click itself. So you need to pass an ID and member function. What is the function for? Okay, this is the type actually. So you have to do a kind of research like Google searching and trying to get it. So I am going to type like this. So I just, what I will do, I will first write a function, like copy this function, and okay, I'll type it actually. So what is that? If x
Underscore
msg
image
y
mode function name.
function name, some proper name will give. It's a double click, right? So on btn dbl double clk clk um, clk and double click button for show name, something like this. So at least No, like the meaningful name will be there. Now we got this function. I'll you can write it outside also. You can write it inside also. I'll just write it inside. Okay. So there's no return type. So an empty function.
Yes.
So next, you want to say Kishore want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. So next you got we need to use this on B and double click. So, I'll type it here. So this messages all comes under this between this begin message map and end message map. So okay. First on what is that?
On
B and double click. Okay.
capitals.
Sorry. On B and
On
okay. Okay. So ID actually, what is the ID of the button, right? So
Yes.
let's see what is the ID of the button. It's IBTN show name. So here, I what is it?
IDC
IDC
underscore.
BTN show name. It says if you see the yeah function name
Yes.
and the member function name is this one.
Yes, sir.
Whenever user double click that button, this button,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning is whenever user click double click which button, this button, you trigger me this function. That's the meaning. So this is the message map handling.
Okay, sir.
So I just want to get the text of whatever it is there in this particular edit control. So let me come back to this C edit. C edit is here. Sorry, C edit is here. Is there anything related to get text? There's nothing. So you can verify in cwind actually. So there must be a common function in cwind. So is there anything else? So inherit significant function from cwind to set and retrieve text from a C edit object. Use the cwind objects function set window text get window text. We need to use. Let me show you what is there in cwind. Let me go here. So this is that also inherited from cwin target and see let us set window text is there or get window text is there. Let me find get window yeah it is there. So just click it here and it says get window text. Either you can use C string one class is there or you can use you can have your user defined data type like char or wchar. So I will use this one actually. I will use the C string, this particular get window text. So how to do that? This edit is type C edit, which is derived from cwind, and which has a member function called get window text. So I'll just use this. It's a pointer, right? So we need to use dereferencing operator, that is send operator. So send get to get window text w text. Okay. Okay, two functions are there. One is C string, another is a basic data type parameters. Okay, let me use this one, C string type. So I'll just declare C string some variable. It's a, I don't know what. Okay. CST name. It's a, okay. It's passed by reference. So I'll just type CST name. We get the window text now, and it is stored here. We just display the message box. So we use AFX message box. So we use the AFX message box, and it also accepts C string, I think. No. Let me whether it accepts or not. Let me type this. Yes, it accepts. So there's no error. No. So we wrote a we wrote for something to get a control handle, means control the actual control and store it in this pointer, and then we wrote a event actually for that particular button. So if you want to get or set text or do anything additionally, you need to get the handle of this button. In order to make it visible, invisible, you need to have the handle. But we are just wanted to handle the event actually. When user click or double click, you understood, right?
Yes,
Why
sir.
we didn't
Sure.
do the same thing? We can do that. We can do that. C button, right? That one. C.
Yes, sir.
B, what is the spelling for button?
Here,
B, T,
ON.
M, P, W, N, D, B, T, N, show, something like this. And then I'll just do this also. This is the main thing. So we just we change it to C button. And what is the ID for that button? C ID, CD, IDC,
BTN. Show.
BTN.
Underscore show.
Okay, control space.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we got this hand, but we don't do anything with this. But in case you want to, after double click, you want to hide that button, you just call. Let us see the MSGN help. So where is button? Button is not this one. What is this one? See, okay. We'll say, is there any hide? There's no hide actually. So there's something called show. So okay. If it is not available, you just search it and see wind. Surely it will be there.
Okay, sir.
So I think C wind is open here, right? Okay, so just go on top. Go show window. I don't know why it is not coming. It is not listing here also, show window. So maybe it is inside the CMD target. Let's go and see inside the CMD target. Maybe I will search it again. Uh, Window. Yeah, it is here.
Yes.
Shows or hides the window.
And this value is hide. So you can minimize that button. You can do whatever you wanted actually within that control. So show normal. Let us hide it actually. So I need show window and hide it. SW show window hide. So what I do, I have the control for that. Not button actually. I have the control for the button, and then dereference it. show window SW. We'll see whether it works or not. It's been long time since I worked on all these things.
Okay, sir.
We'll type something. I'll click, nothing happened. Double click, nothing happened. So why nothing happens? BTN. Let's see whether it gets triggered. I'll run it in debug mode. Hello. It doesn't even triggers here. On button, double click. Okay, maybe let's not take risk. Let's come back and this is let me go back. This is C edit, right? C edit. So this is button. On BN double click. Potential message entries are as follows. When you create a button object from the dialog, disturbing the okay. Okay, let's try for this one. Let's see. Let me change it. C and BN on BN clicked, right? Double L remove. So let me use the same function. We read it. Something happened. Okay, boom. So I'll just hello. MFC. This is share name. It displays the message. As
Yes.
soon as I click OK, this one disappears. So in order to manipulate like that button, I need a handle. Means I need a control. Otherwise, you just you use this message maps. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
and this one I need a control. I don't know what to say actually. Let me say like control handle actually. Actually, it is a when it's a control handle actually. The control class or something. Okay, control object actually. Maybe the actual control you need to have to in order to get the text actually. And I just hit that button because I have the handle for that button. So here I am storing it, and then I just show window hide it way, and it went hidden actually. So these are the basic things. Why we need a handle, and why we need a message. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me ignore that. Why this one didn't work, I don't know. Just let. So suppose we wanted to know what are the events for that handle for that particular button or something for but control. You know what are the APIs available for this C button. For example, I'll take this edit. There are let's do undo also with it. Like you can have run this. You can have an option like undo button or something, and you can just call this undo. It will change. So you can erase, clear, you can copy, you can write one button to copy, cut. So all these things, many things I don't know, but once if you read the help, it will become clear. So
Okay, sir.
anything useful is there. These things are all used for maybe for combo box or list box, but it will also be there for list. There's something called C list, C combo box or something is there. You have to search by yourself.
Okay, sir.
So this edit also itself have an event. Okay, let me explain that also. So if you want to handle an event, you want to use this function, you need to have a handle, the handle control handle actually. In order to handle this event, you need to, so whenever I type, suppose I say, maybe array that's called, okay, this will be good. So I'll just copy or search. What is this one? Search. Okay. Okay, let me not search it. So on EN, you just copy and search it here. Google MFC. So okay, you use this one, catch on EM. Okay, it's a stack overflow. Maybe let's see anything available there. Mostly, if you see something without on or en change alone, it is a Win32 program message. We are looking for a MFC messages. Both are same, but little different. So in your code, you use on command, right?
Yes, sir.
When you use Win32 program, you have to use WM command. So in Win32 you use en change, instead you need to use en on en change. I'm just trying to get that particular on en change. Maybe I'll put it MSDN. So anyway, let me see here. No, MSDN is the proper place. On ENG, they'll be surely will be having that message. On EN. So here they say the parameter function prototype is as follows, but this is not sufficient. This is not sufficient. I'm just trying to additional help. Surely it will be there. So it is a little difficult. Onion chain example. Let's see here. Okay, no problem. I will try to use this one. Surely the help will be there. Earlier I know it is there actually, but now I don't know why it is not showing now actually. So what we have to do is on en change, what is the meaning of en change? Is like user has taken an action that may have altered text in a edit control. Whenever you type something, you are changing the text, right? So that's what the meaning. So you type something, it will trigger. So I'll just close this. I say add an event on en change. What is the ID for that control? Edit control. IDC. ID. You don't remember? Actually, okay. Yeah. For this one, if user try to change, so this is the ID, right? For
Yes.
this particular one, I need to have what is the ID? IDC. You forgot?
Edit.
Edit. Maybe. Yeah. Name one.
Yes.
So the function is. Let's write the function. I think AFX message. AFX MSG. Void. How I know this? Because here they are saying it. Use this. The parent function total is as follows.
Okay.
So on void on the chang. What I can do is I can let me I'm copy pasting it, but you don't copy paste it.
Okay, sir.
So I'm just displaying the text of that window. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Now I'll just add this function. Okay, now let's see what happens. I have added an event. Whenever there is a change happens in this particular edit control, it will trigger this. What this function will do, just display the actual text. Okay, let me test it. Build it. Well, type H. It triggered, right? When I type something, it triggered. So you plus A, okay. H E L L. You understood so far?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So edit and button I have showed you, and I have showed you like when to use control handle and when to use an even this message. The difficult thing will be uh, to get what are the messages available for the particular control. That will be like you have to search. Oh, let me give one addition thing. So I said like you can search, right? So you can do like you can search MFC. You just click this EN exchange itself. So it says sent when the user has taken the action unless he update will be sent after this command. You just click the particular command. Sorry, I'm misleading it actually. So I don't know why on EN exchange is not coming. So one more thing you can do is you just right click here, go to the definition, you can see it here, ID member function. But the prototype of this member function Vary. So what is the member function? Let's see here. Search. Anywhere else? One minute, hold on. Okay. Just right click. What I'm trying to do is what should be the prototype of for every control you won't have such thing, it will be differing. So how to know that one? That's what I'm trying to search, and so that you can also search and use it. But so far is everything clear, right?
Yes,
When
sir.
to
Yes,
get
sir.
the handle and when to use this message for triggering the event. Uh, that message help only. I will just see here. Let me close this one. What is this one? This one is C edit. What is this one? Uh,
Button.
so what is that? Where en change, right? On en change.
On EN change. Sir.
So something here is available. So okay, here we got it. Okay, edit control handles on en change and member functions. So what is this one actually? Message maps MFC. So how to, okay, okay, wait. This is the button. I will just close this. No, I'll keep it. What is this? See edit. I'll keep it. This is see dialog. I'll keep it. And this one we need to search. And what is this? See edit is already open. So you need to know this one, right? So let me see how to search. We are looking for um, see edit on en change, right? You just copy this one and paste it here. MFC, MFC messages, MFC, MFDL. Maybe somewhere hidden. Uh, it's not showing in this link. Otherwise, what is this one? This message MFC, right? Okay, we'll search like that. So message maps MFC MLDN. I think, yeah. Okay, message map macros are here. So you are searching for button. Let's see for button. Where is button? Child window, generic control handle. Edit list. It must be in generic control handle. On control. So button type. So you have all this and the related function. So button. Edit is here. So edit also like, but there are combo box and list box are there for mostly for static, for other controls. I don't know why it is not listing. Uh, So just make use of this one. Just search this string in Google. I'll just paste it. My macros. Something more controls are here. So you can make use of this message map MFC and try to get proper help for that particular macro. For example, we have this edit on EN change. So mostly you go to edit, you will know like EN change is there. So you can get the like this is the prototype for that particular event actually. So it's fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Kishore, Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So next, I told him that like you will be trying for other controls for radio, for checkbox, list box, something similar thing actually.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
for list box or combo box, when users select, right, when it will be a drop down box. When you drop down and user select, you just print it or show the message box, or you just display what user selected. It will be complex, but try for at least some two control radio checkbox which you already designed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you don't know, like you just ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Uh, I think it's fine, right? Now I'll just. You have any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. This will be recorded and it will be coming to that session itself. I will download and I'll just paste it in that folder.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jay. Okay, Kishore. Thanks. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Oh,
sir.
thank you, sir.
You will be trying, right? You will be trying, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, okay, man. Bye.
Thank you, sir.